Hey guys, what's happening? How to get a free public Wi-Fi in Australia without compromising security. First of all, stick to Wi-Fi from airports, right? Or library or cafes, e.g. McDonald's, Starbucks, and city hotspots. Okay? Next, do not access banking apps or enter passwords on public Wi-Fi. Okay? Next, what you're gonna do, use a VPN. Go ahead to the settings, right? General, scroll a little bit down, go to the VPN and device management, and then go ahead to the VPN and activate your VPN, or you can use the third-party app and activate it automatically. Okay, and turn off auto connect. Disable automatic Wi-Fi connections to avoid unsafe network. Okay, you can just shut it off and open it again, or go ahead to the settings and do it manually, right, to disable certain networks. You can go ahead and click forget this network. Okay, and make sure to use browser extension like HTTPS everywhere for secure browsing. Okay, and forget networks after use, right? Prevent device from reconnecting to risky networks. Again, go ahead to the Wi-Fi and then click the eye next to the Wi-Fi logo and then click forget this network. That should fix it. Okay, and use mobile hotspot instead. If in doubt, tether from your phone's mobile data, and you can do that by simply go ahead to the settings, cellular data, and then turn it on. And basically what you're gonna do next, you can just go ahead and turn on the personal hotspot. Okay, and that should fix it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.